bad. What's up, everybody? Today we're going to look at that magnetic phone holder for car that I buy again for this car again. So the brand we're talking about today, it's OHLPRO. Let's open it. Wow, look at that. Oh, you can see it. Probably not. Okay, so let's open it. What do we have? Wow. And that's it. This guy is supposed to be good to hold a cell phone to 10.4-inch cell phone to all the way to 10-inch tablet. Not bad. Second cup, the magnetic, this suction cup to hold in case, and the giveaway. 1, 2. How much we have inside? Two magnetic they give to hold the cell phone. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention what I did. I cleaned the dash and I cleaned the window at the same time, just to be sure this guy is going to hold my cell phone. Okay, so let's look at it. So, not bad. You can move it up and down. Can go up, can go down. This is supposed to be 3-inch to hold on the dash or the window if we want. So let's try it. Not bad. Like that. I'm going to turn. Oh, the other way. Et voila. Let's put my cell phone. Perfect. So we hit the road. Not bad. So here you can see it's winter where I live. We have a lot of snow. But today is really a nice day today. I hope you like this video because that cell holder really great. You can see here in Montreal the road is not okay. We have a lot of bump and he was holding my cell phone perfectly. So I think I'm going to give him a thumbs up on this guy. And I hope you like this video. My name is Steph. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. Ding, 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 ding. And if you want, you can always leave a comment down there. And the link too is going to be down there about that cell holder. Okay, so see you.